Today we are going to learn about consonant LL sounds. When this LL letters goes with vowel A, E, I, O, U, it sounds different. Okay. So when this LL letters goes with A vowel, the sound is all. Let us see some examples. Here A, L, L, all. The first example is B, A, L, L, ball. B, all, ball. Next, C, A, L, L, call. K, all, call. Next is F, A, L, L, fall. F, A, L, L, fall. F, all. Next is M, A, L, L, mall. M, all, mall. Next is H, A, L, L, hall. H, all, hall. Next is T, A, L, L, tall. T, all, tall. Next is W, A, L, L, wall. V, all, wall. Now we will repeat. B, all, ball. K, all, call. F, all, fall. M, all, mall. H, all, hall. T, all, tall. And V, all, wall. Similarly, when this LL consonant attached with E letter, the sound is L. Let us see some examples. E, L, L. The first word is B, E, L, L, bell. B, L, bell. Next is S, E, L, L, cell. S, L, cell. Next is F, E, L, L, fell. F, L, fell. Next is T, E, L, L, tell. T, L, tell. Next is W, E, L, L, well. V, L. Now we will repeat. B, L, bell. S, L, cell. F, L, fell. And T, L, tell. And V, L, well. Similarly, this consonant LL letters attached with I vowel, the sound is ill. So we will see the examples. Ill. Okay. The first word is B, I, L, L, bill. B, ill, bill. The next word is M, I, L, L, mill. M, ill, mill. The next is T, I, L, L, till. T, ill, till. Next is F, I, L, L, fill. F, ill, fill. The next is G, I, L, L, gill. G, ill, gill. The next is H, I, L, L, hill. H, ill, hill. The next is P, I, L, L, pill. P, I, L, L, pill. The next is W, I, L, L, will. W, I, L, L, will. V, ill, will. Now we will repeat. B, ill, bill. M, ill, mill. T, ill, till. F, ill, fill. G, ill, gill. H-ila hill, P-ila pill, and W-ila will. Okay. Similarly, when LL consonant attach with O letters, the sound is ol. Okay. Let us see some examples. R, ol, roll. R, O, L, L. The next is P, ol, pole. P, O, L, L. The next one is T, O, L, L, toll. T, ol, toll. Now I will show you one word. It is D, O, L, L. This is the only word in which O double L sounds all, not ol. Okay. So here it is the all, doll. Okay. So now we will repeat. R-ol, roll. P-ol, pole. T-ol, toll. And D-ol, doll. Okay. Similarly, when LL consonant goes with U vowel, the sound is ul. Okay. So let us see some examples. U, L, L. The first word is B, U, double L. That is bull. B, ul, bull. The next word is F, U, L, L. Full. F, ul, full. The next word is P, U, L, L. Pull. P, ul, pull. Now here we have some examples in which the sound of U double L is not ul, but it is ul. Okay. So here it is D, U, L, L. Dull. D, L. Dull. The next is G, U, L, L. Gull. G, L. Gull. Okay. Now we will repeat. B, U, L, L. Bull. F, U, L, L. Full. P, U, L, L. Pull. And here D, U, L, L. Dull. G, U, L, L. Gull. Okay. Here in this chapter we have learned about LL sound goes with A, E, I, O, U. Here there are some exceptional cases in which the sounds are different. So you have to remember them.